We're here in the master suite, and one of the features that we're incorporating is the master suite laundry room. The original laundry room, which we're retaining, is way on the other side of the house. And so what we're doing here is already have an established nice big walk-in closet. We already have a good sized master bedroom, but what we're doing is enlarging the bedroom, again, to incorporate a washer dryer area. And you can use that for storage as well. And that also creates a sitting area. So the master oasis, shall we say, the owners can sit, have private time. They can do their own wash whenever they want. Their closet always has clean clothes. Join me every Monday and Wednesday to experience this transformation.